Hello, good evening. Hello, hello. Hi. Oh, wow. Oh, s- that's so beautiful. Hello, good evening, Rosie. I know why your name is Rosie. Because you like flowers, like, right? Do you like the flower rose? Okay, sure. Okay, sure. Hello, Rosie again. How are you?
My Lego.
Okay, sure. Can I see? Okay, sure.
Ay, ay.
Wow, that's so big. That's a big house. It's very beautiful and very colorful. Did you build it yourself? Wow, that's so nice. Is the cat also a Lego?
Yeah.
It's so cute. Wow, you have a lot. And the camera is also a Lego?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so beautiful. How about the down there? What's that? Is it a house? A cafe. Wow. Wow, it's a cafe. It's so cute. Wow, that looks so nice.
Have more.
You have more? Oh, the puzzle? Is that your puzzles?
Yes.
Wow, it's so big.
Mhm.
It's so beautiful. Wow, you are very artsy. Do you like arts? That's so nice. You have a lot of Legos. That's a very good hobby. Oh, oh, you have a Is that a Christmas tree? Christmas
Yes.
tree Lego. Wow. Wow, it's so cute. It's very big. You have lots of Legos. Wow, they are a lot. When did you learn building Legos? When did you learn? Did you learn it when you're still young?
Yes.
Really? Because you have a lot of Legos. Do you do you have a Lego car?
Mm,
You also have a Lego car? No. Okay. What's your most favorite Lego that you built? What's your most favorite? Mhm.
eh,
What do you like? What do you like most?
I like the tree's house.
Yes, it's so beautiful. It's a tree house.
Yes.
So beautiful. Yeah, it's so big. Wow, that's so nice. And also they have frames which protects the Lego. Wow. Oh, what's that? Is that a robot?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so cute.
This too.
What's that?
I don't know.
I don't know. Is that house?
So
Oh,
big.
yeah, I think it's also house. A big house. Wow, that's so nice. Thank you so much for sharing all of your Legos. So cute, especially the cat. Do you have a dog Lego? Do you have a dog Lego? Since you have a cat Lego, do you have a dog? No, you don't have a dog? It's okay. The cat is so cute. The cat is so big. So cute. Wow. So nice. Do you build it yourself or do you build your Legos with your mom?
I build myself.
Wow, that's so nice. And the tree house. For how long did you build it? How
Mm,
long? Is it like days? 1 day, 2 days? How many days?
Tuesday.
2 days. Tuesday. Tuesday
Tuesday.
or 2 days? Oh, 2 days. Oh, that's so easy. Oh, that's little time, huh? Means that you really know how to build Legos. That's so nice. Okay, so now, Rosie, are you ready for our new lesson for today? Ready, ready?
Yes.
Okay, so for our new lesson for today, so we will have a unit one, which is all about around the world. So when we say around the world, so we will talk about the places or the countries, especially the continents that we have all around the world. So do you know what are the continents that we have? Do you know the continents? Do you know the continents? Yes. Do you know what continent is Vietnam? What continent is Vietnam? Do you know?
No.
No, it's okay. So we will learn about that in this lesson because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yeah, 6, 7. I think it's 7. 7. Let me just check. Yeah, we have 7 continents in the world. So this for this one, we will talk about continents around the world. So now, but first, Rosie, let's take a look at this picture. Okay, so by looking at this picture, what are they doing, Rosie?
They are playing.
Very good. They are playing with, what are they holding? They're playing with, what is that they are holding? Is that a flower? No. What's that? They are playing with what?
Mm,
So we call that as grass. They are playing with grass. So what they are holding is grass, which we can see in the forest usually. And hmm? And where do you think? Where are the boys? Where are they?
the
Are
boy
they
is uh,
the boys? Where are they? Are they in the beach? Are they in the river? Where are they? Oh no, let me go back. Okay, by looking at the picture. Hmm. So this one, I think this one is a river. So the boys are in the river again. So where are the boys, Rosie?
boy is in the river.
Okay. So for this one, so we have how many boys? How many boys can you see? How many
And
boys? There are Two. Very good. So let's go back to your sentence earlier. So you said the boys is in the river. Shall we use here, since we have two boys, shall we use is or are? Is or are? So we are talking about two boys. Shall we use is? The boys is in the river, or the boys are in the river?
Boys are in the river.
Okay, very good. So since we are talking about two boys, meaning so we will use are. So we use is if we are only talk about one person. Okay, so that is, for example, so this boy is not here. So we can say the boy is in the river. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so next, let's proceed and move on to the next part of our lesson. So we have here our lesson number one, which is words. Okay, this one, as you can see, these are the different continents in the world. So can you please read the first continent that we have? What
North,
continent?
North America.
Okay, very good. North America. And by looking at the picture or by looking at this part of the continent, what are the things that we can see in the North America? Okay, starting with this one. Do you know what sport is this? Do you know what sport? Do we use a
Tennis,
bat?
tennis,
It's what sport do we use a bat? Hmm. It starts with letter B. This one. It's
base,
very good. Baseball. So this one is baseball. So in North America, so baseball is a popular sport, especially in the US or United States. Because in North America, the continent North America is where we can see the United States. Do you know the United States? United States of America? So US, United States of America. So this one is the biggest country in the North America. So baseball is a popular sport in the United States. How about this one? Do you know what animal is this? Do you know what animal?
the band.
Very good. It's a polar bear. Very good. So usually in North America, we can see polar bears because in North America, mostly it's a cold and it's icy. Or in North America, it's cold and icy. That is why most polar bears lives in North America. And also, to add this one, what animal is this?
Is the
Starts with letter W. Is it W? Hmm. Okay, this one, this is what we call as walrus. Walrus. Do you know that animal?
yes,
Walrus? Yes. So usually this animal, walrus, as we can see, it has a long teeth, long and sharp teeth. So it looks like a sea lion, but the difference is the sea lion doesn't have a long sharp teeth. Walrus, it has a long sharp teeth, and we can mostly see it in the North America. Okay. Next, how about this one? Okay, let me just this one. Do you know what is this? Yes, chocolate. And what is chocolate made of? This one. Do you know what kind of tree fruit is this?
Chocolate.
It also starts with letter C. Hmm, what is that? Do you know? So for this one,
Cacao.
very good. It's cacao. Okay, so the chocolate is made of the cacao fruit. So usually it we dry the cacao and we roast it, and it is created as a chocolate. And cocoa pods. So we can usually see it in the Central America, which is part of the North America. So cocoa pods, it is used to make chocolates. That is why most of the chocolate factories, most of the chocolate manufacturers, so we can often see them in the North America or in the United States. And also, chocolates are very affordable in their place because this is or it is the place where chocolates are made. Okay, so that is. And when we say again, the US means United States. United States of America. So usually it is called as US or USA. United States of America. Okay, so that's it. So these are the things that we can usually see in the North America. We have polar bear, walrus, famous sport is baseball, and the cacao, which is used for making chocolates. Okay, now teacher has a question. What sport is popular in the US? What sport is popular?
Is the baseball.
Very good. It's the baseball. And which animals do we usually see in the North America?
It's a polar bear
And the other one?
in a walrus.
Very good. And the walrus. Very good. So those are the things that we can see in the North America. Next, let's have another continent. So since we have here North America, now we will talk about South America. Okay, this one. South America. Okay, so in the South America, this is where we can see the two countries such as Brazil and Argentina. Okay, in South America, this is usually um, they use different language other than English. Yeah, so in North America, usually their main language is English. However, in the South America, so the language are mixed. There are Portuguese for Brazil, their language is Portuguese. For Argentina, so their language is Spanish. Okay. So that is the this difference between the two continent, North America and South America. So South America, most places, they not only use English, so they use many different languages. So let's start first with Brazil. What is the animal that we can usually see in the Brazil?
It's a pirate.
Very good. So again, let's say parrot.
Panther.
Parrot. Very good. This one is a parrot. So when we say parrot, so this is a colorful bird. So as we can see, it has colors red, green, blue, yellow, white, and black. So yes, in Brazil, so in Brazil is we can see is where we can see the Amazon rainforest. Do you know Amazon rainforest?
Yes.
Yes, it's a big, big forest. So like this one. Let me show you a picture. This one. This is the Amazon rainforest.
Well,
It's the yeah, so we can usually see this one in the Brazil. And this is where most animals, wild animals, lives. Okay, so in South America is where we can see more rainforests, and especially the Amazon rainforest because Brazil is famous for its biodiversity. So when we say biodiversity, um, Rosie, so biodiversity is when we say biodiversity, it means. Do you know what biodiversity is? Can you share about biodiversity? Ano? Okay. So when we say biodiversity, it means it is different lives on Earth. Biodiversity are the living things on Earth. Like for example, um, plants, animals, fungi, and tiny microorganisms. So these are the things that we can see in Brazil. Mostly, there are many, many nature. There are also lots of beaches, and especially the Amazon rainforest and the Amazon River. Okay, that's a chick. Okay, so that's it. So again, Rosie, what are the things that we can see in the Brazil? What are the things? What are the things that we can see in the Brazil, in the country Brazil, the most famous? What can we see? We can see
the,
Amazon.
the Amazon forest.
Very good. We can see Amazon forest in Brazil. Very good. And also, what animal? What animal is famous in Brazil?
The parrot.
Very good. It's parrot. Next, so let's go further in our next country that we can see in the South America. This is the country that they use Spanish language for them to communicate. So Argentina. So we have here. Let's look at the picture. So can you tell teacher what are they doing, or what are the two person doing in the picture? What are the person doing, or what are the two
It's, let's
people?
see.
Very good. So they are dancing. So because in Argentina, so the famous dance in Argentina is tango. So when we say tango, it's a traditional dance that started in Argentina. So let me show you some videos on how they dance tango. Okay, let me show you. Tango. Okay,
And
let me show you. Just one moment. This one. This one is the Argentina or Argentine tango. Yeah. That is how they dance tango. So usually there is a woman and there is a man. I like that.
You've ever seen this in the movies? Hiya. So the basic is
Okay, so that is tango. So it's very famous, especially in Argentina. Okay, so Argentina, because Argentina, the country Argentina is known. So can you read this one? Can you read this one, Rosie? Argentina
Argentina,
is known.
Argentina is known for its music, dance, and strong
Cultural.
culture.
Cultural. Okay, again, let's say cultural. Okay, you can
Good
do it. Yes, very good. Cultural.
culture.
Very good. Next is cultural tra-
Yes.
traditions. Let's say traditions.
This
Traditions.
tradition
Very good. So cultural tradition. So as we can see here, there are two people dancing because it is their famous dance in Argentina. And Argentina country is known for its music, dance, and cultural traditions. Okay, so that is what is famous, especially in Argentina. Okay, now teacher has a question. So in South America, Rosie, which country has the parrot? Which country has the parrot? Is it Argentina or Brazil?
is Brazil.
Very good. It's Brazil. How about which country or what is Argentina? What is the dance that is famous in Argentina?
Mm,
What
Tango
dance? Very good. It's tango. And that is Brazil and Argentina. Again, what are the two countries that we see or we can see in the South America? What are the two countries that we can see in the South America? It's the
is Amazon forest.
hmm? What are the two countries or places that we can see in the South America? It's the
It's
Brazil.
Brazil and Argentina.
Very good. Very good. Argentina and Brazil. Now, let's review the two continents that we have learned today. So, what is the first continent that we have, Rosie? What's the first continent? What's the first continent? Our
North
first
America.
North America. The second is
South America
okay, very good. What sport is famous in North America?
is baseball.
Very good. What animals can we see in the North America?
The polar bear.
And the one with the long and sharp teeth.
The water.
Very good, walrus. And um what or what continent do we make chocolate? Or what continent is the place that we can see?
US.
The US. What do we mean by US? What is US? It's United United States. It's United States. Okay, very good. So that's it. So good job for today. So I think it's already the end of our time. So for tomorrow, Rosie, I will send you your assignment because I were our assignment for tomorrow, yeah, we will talk about the night before Christmas. Okay. So I will send you your mother questions about the story and also the words. And you need to study those words and answer the questions. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay, tomorrow, so our lesson will be about the story the night before Christmas. So make sure to study the words that I will send and especially the questions. Okay? Okay, so thank you so much again for your time today, Rosie. And see you again tomorrow for our lesson about the story or about your storybook. So goodbye. I will send you later the questions. Okay. Goodbye and thank you so much for your time. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Let me bye bye. Goodbye.